Ayoko.
Ano sabi mo kay Mona?
Ha?
Hi ka kay Mona.
Hello.
Hi.
Actually, Mona, we're here at the Calibo Mangroves
Echo.
Park, which you can find some different kinds of birds, different
Species.
species of birds, different species of crabs and fishes, snakes, and other kinds of living organisms here. Here you can find this kind of tree. This is a, what you call this, a mangroves, which lives in about 20 years now. And there's, you can see the water is so
So, malabo?
malabo because, you know, and look at that, it's like a butike, but it's not, it's a fish. That's what you call mud skipper. And there was a snake there. It's like an anaconda, but it's not. It looks like, you know. And this is the newly grown mangroves where you can see
Your face.
in your face.
Sinemo.
Charmander.
Sinemo.
Cinnamon. Here you can see some kind of a crabs which is so small.
Wala naman eh.
See, that's the talaba. Do you see the talaba? It's a what you call oyster, small oyster. And
I want a big oyster.
what a big oyster. What would you like to buy some oyster in a bottle?
Ay, kuya, oh.
Actually, we haven't seen. Ay, what's that? It's a lion. Oh, it's a person pala. He's trying to get some tamilok. You know what's tamilok? Tamilok is the woodworm, which you can eat it in raw. You know, have you ever tasted that before?
Batiin mo naman sila, Jonah.
Hi, Jonathan. Pagyamang punta tayo dito ulit. Balik tayo
Sobrang
dito.
saya, grabe.
Tapos, malapit tayo sa
Sobrang
end of the
saya, promise.
Lul. Malapit na tayo sa end of the line. Malapit tayo sa dagat. Diretso swimming na to. Pwede na. Look po, there's a small fishes there. Nakita mo? Ako hindi din eh.
Yuck!
Hindi ko talaga maiwasan yun eh. Basta ka na... Ay, there oh. Nakita mo yung ulo ng buhaya? Ayun, ang liit oh. Ayun, nakikita mo? Ayun oh. Ayun.
Ganda mo sa video, no?
Ayun oh, yung sabi ko lumulutang ang maliit na isda. Ayun oh. Yun yung parang... Ayun,
Sige na, tara na. Doon na tayo sa dulo.
Parang kain na kami.
Pati yung
There.
Bisa mo kaya? Yung minutes kaya nito.
Ayun yung ba yun? Sensya na. There's a crab there oh.
Pati yung unta, yung ano, kuya,
Ano?
yung bird, yung agila. Yan.
Mouse keeper.
Gora.
Actually, malapit ako sa katapusan. Nakakadalawang oras ako nakalalakad dito. Kaya, babalik ulit kami. 4 hours kami mabiyahe. Mabiyahe, babalik na naman kami. 2 hours kami.
Walkathon. Hindi mo babatiin yung mga Becky?
Ha? Saan na nila yun? Alam mo ba, Mona, ito repetitive place na tsurbahan. Bukod sa dito kasi alam mo ba, marami itong cottage na hiwa-hiwalay. Actually, mas pumunta ka hindi naman kasi ganun karaming tao nagpupunta. Makakapag-tsurbahan ka lalo pag pumunta ka rito ng jowa mo, you know. Saya.
Relaxation?
Saan tayo?
Diretso lang.
Ay, meron ka doon.
Nauna na si Unggoy la. Maganda dito, Mona. Promise. Yan, papunta na kami sa dulo. Haggard. Bilisan mo kasi. Ito yung mangrove reservoir. Reservoir.
Actually, maraming mangrove. Kaya ka mangrove. Wala pa rin ba? Ay, yun! May something na gumalaw doon. Isang malaking pusit. Naka-shades. Ako yon. Diyan.
Hindi mo mabatiin yung mga Becky.
Kamusta na kayo lahat dyan?
Yung sapatos mo marag na.
Kaya mo siya. Kaya nakikita mo yung kulay puting yon. Yon, yung sa dulo.
So right.
It's a beach. Alon ng dagat yon. Alon. Hello. Abangan nyo na sa YouTube yung video na yan, ha? Ipapasa namin yan sa Discovery Channel.